क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 हो गया सर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आप बोले थे आज करवाने के लिए।
यस सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कराइए सर। नो
Yes,
सर,
sir.
नहीं हो रहा है। यस सर, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ही।
Okay. Now, am I audible? You can answer it in the chat mode only. And if you have problem, you will raise your hand. Okay. So let's start. Question number. We were doing question number 5. Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? Okay. Why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? First, you see these two terms. Okay. Non-communicable disease. What are non-communicable disease? Disease which do not transmit from one person to another person. It is called non-communicable disease. Okay. And what are deficiency disease? On the other hand, there is a deficiency disease. Deficiency disease which is caused by the lack of particular nutrients. The disease which is caused by the lack of particular nutrients. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 कल हम रिकॉर्डिंग में दिए हुए हैं, अपने रिकॉर्डिंग में देखो, कल हम रिकॉर्डिंग में दिए हुए हैं, उसको क्लिक करो, सुनो, ग्रुप में दिए हुए हैं. I'm not going to entertain all these questions. Okay. Immediate after the class is complete, I send the recording in your WhatsApp group. Okay, you see there. So there are the two terms. One is deficiency disease, and other is communicable disease. Deficiency disease, which is caused by the lack of particular vitamins, minerals, or the nutrient. Okay, this is called deficiency disease. And communicable disease are such disease which get transmitted from one person to another person. So the question is, why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease? So this is the question, why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease, right? We will see this question, why deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease. If anybody of you wishes to answer, you can raise your hand. Okay, if you wish to answer, you can raise your hands, right? If you wish to answer, anybody, do you wish to answer? If you wish to answer, you can raise your hand. I will unmute you from here. Anybody? Take your time. Nobody? So let me write it on the board. Yes, I think Apurva Singh wishes to say something. Apurva Singh wishes to say something. Okay, Apurva Singh, come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Tell me why it is called non-communicable disease.
Sir, deficiency disease is the disease which caused by the lack of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So it is not communicable. It is not communicate to the other person which is healthy.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Mute yourself, lower your hand. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay. So let's. Deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease because they are caused by the lack of certain nutrients. And they are not communicated okay. Deficiency disease is called non-communicable disease because they are caused by the lack of certain nutrients in our diet in our diet and they are not communicated from one person to another person, so they are called non-communicable disease. I hope you have understood this. This is answer of question number E5. I hope you have got it. Any problem? No. Next. Now, value-based questions. Okay. Who will read it? Who will read it? Read this passage. Who will read this passage? Raise your hand. Who will read this? Okay. 5 students have raised the hand. Okay. Now, Pratyush, Raj and Priya Rani 5E. I have unmuted you. Now you can read it from your book. Okay, you read it.
Rajat had to go through a slum area. While on his way to school, he noticed that some slum children looked weak and pale and were quite inactive. He did not see them playing or running around like others of their age. He discussed this problem with his science teacher. His teacher, along with the help of a school doctor, organized a medical camp for the slum children. Rajat and his friends presented a Nukhad Natika street play to highlight how some not very costly food items can help those children to improve their health.
Okay. Once again, I read it. Okay. Once again, let me read it. प्रियांशु, you wish to read it? समझाना भी पड़ेगा हिंदी में, ठीक है? इंग्लिश में बोलना भी समझाना भी पड़ेगा. Okay. चलो, I have unmuted you. You can go through it. चलो, read it. Read it.
Rajat had to go through a slum area.
while on his way of a school. He noticed that some slum children looked weak and pale, were quite inactive. He did not see them playing or running around like other children of their age. He discussed their problem with his science teacher. His teacher, along with the help of a school doctor, organized a medical camp for the slum children. Rajat and his friend presented a Nukkad Natika street play to highlight how some not very costly food item can help these children to improve their health.
Now you will answer this question. All of you. Okay. Now all of you will answer the question. Okay. Thank you. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. I hope all of you have understood it. All of you have understood it. Say yes or no.
Yes, yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Raise your
sir.
hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Raise your
sir.
hand those who have understood. Raise your hand those who have understood. पहले अभी हम जो पूछ रहे हैं वो बताओ ना. Raise your hand those who have understood this paragraph. Raise your hand those who have understood this paragraph. Raise your hand. Only 4 students have understood. Only 4 students have
Yes, sir.
understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Harsh Kumar, mute yourself. Harsh
Yes,
Kumar,
sir.
mute yourself. Harsh Kumar, mute yourself.
म्यूटेड नहीं है, सबको आवाज आ रहा है आप लोग का सारा बात. चुप रहिए.
Harsh Kumar, mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you have not understood, then I will make you understood. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, change is here that. Okay. Let's see. Story is here that there is a. You can see it on the screen once again. I will once again. This is a slum area. You can see this picture here. This is a slum area. Okay. Slum area is basically it is the area of poor people. Okay, poor people are living, downtrodden people are living. Those people who are not getting healthy food, those who are not getting good education, those who are these are the deprived people. They are not getting healthy food. They are not getting education. So these people they were here. Okay, and they were not active as you have studied. They were not active. Okay, and hence the Purv and the class, along with the help of a school doctor, they visited the locality, and they have also played the Nukkad Natak. Nukkad Natak is a natak which is played with the help of Nukkad Natak is a natak which is played with the help of some people and without with a message. Okay, with any message. All of you switch on your camera. I can see cameras are not switch on. All of you switch on your camera. Okay, so they have played a Nukkad Natak. Kumar Mayank, where you are? Kumar Mayank. Kumar Mayank, 5F. Kumar Mayank. सोकर पढ़ रहा है पहले ये लड़का. कुमार मयंक. ठीक है, तो नुक्कड़ नाटक खेला गया. नुक्कड़ नाटक खेला, उससे लोगों को जानकारी हुआ कि क्या खाना चाहिए, क्या नहीं पीना चाहिए. And they were in misconception that only the food, which costly food, are the healthy food. Okay, so with the help of Nukkad Natak, they made the people aware that even uncostly food, cheap food, are also good source of nutrients. Okay. Now, based upon this, you will have to answer the question. Okay. You will have to answer the question. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see here. Now answer this question. You can see this is a picture. The first question is, why did the slum children look weak and pale? Why did slum children look weak and pale? Answer. Should I write it here? You can see. Why did slum children look weak and pale? They were not getting they might be suffering from malnutrition. Means mal means bad, 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 and nutrition means okay. So this is slum children's look weak and pale because they were not getting balanced diet and they might be suffering from malnutrition. I hope you have understood this question. Okay. How did Rajat and his teacher help the slum children? How? That you answer it in the chat mode. If you wish, you can answer it in the chat mode. How did Rajat and his teacher help the slum children? Okay, Apurv Singh, say the answer.
So, because they give some healthy food to the slum and poor to the poor children. Food, sir,
And
sir, the one natak, sir, I forgot.
and they also played a Nukkad Natak.
Nukkad natak.
Nukkad Natak. And they also went there with the school doctor.
School
Okay.
doctor. Yes, sir.
So I hope you have understood it. Any problem, all of you? My general question to you. Okay. The best question. Okay. Next question. Next question it is, how did they help? They help how did they help? You can answer me it in the chat mode. Healthy food and treat them with healthy doctor, by the school doctor. They help the children by giving treatment the school doctor. Second, giving treatment with the help of they also provided healthy balanced diet. healthy diet. Yeah, it would be better to write here balanced diet. Balanced diet. And then they made people aware about balanced diet by the help of Nukkad Natak. By the help of Nukkad Natak. I hope it is clear to you all. Any problem to anybody? Have you taken it down? Your cameras must be on. Okay. Now, what is the last question? Suggest the name of some food item that is not costly but good for our health. That you will let me know. You will speak and I will write. Okay. Suggest the name of some of the food item which is not costly. Okay. Now you tell me. You tell me. Okay, those who wish, they can raise their hands. Wait. Apurv Singh, you tell me.
Junk food, sir. Junk food. Junk food is not
Sir,
costly but for health.
sir,
Junk
Wait,
food.
only one will say.
sir, rice, cereals,
Oh,
pulses, sir.
mute yourself. Mute yourself. When I will say, then only you will say. Okay. Your hand. You raise your hand. You raise your hand. I will unmute you from here. Okay. First, Apurv Singh will say. Okay, he has raised his hand. So I meant to ask. Chalo, Apurv. Oh, sorry. Apurv Singh, I have unmuted you.
Sir, rice,
And I have
types of cereals, sir. Pulses, sir. Vegetables,
rice, cereals,
pulses, sir.
rice, cereals, pulses,
Sir,
and
vegetables, fruits.
vegetable and fruit. Okay. Now,
Yes,
can you
sir.
name some of the cereals which is not costly but which is good for health?
Sir, wheat, sir.
Hmm.
Wheat, sir.
Tell me the now. Tell me the name of food. Tell me the name of the food. Okay. Now, Apurv Singh, mute yourself. And now it is Priyanshu 5D. Okay, you tell me, Priyanshu. Name. I want name. I want name. Tell me, Priyanshu. If you are doing late, you better sit down. Any more answer? Any more answer? Any more answer? Chalo, that you will do by your own. Okay. Now next, I hope it is clear to you. Now, if you have any problem, if you this chapter is finished. Okay, this chapter is finished. If you have any problem, you can ask with me. You can raise your hand. You can ask with me. If you have any problem, you can ask with me. Raise your hand if you have any problem. Navneet Kumar 5F, come on the screen. Navneet Aryan Gupta, these student will say Navneet Aryan Gupta, Aditya Kumar and Aditya Rajput. Arpita Kumari, where you all are? Lisha Gupta, Natik, why you all have left the class? Are you here? Hello? Apurv, tell me what you want to say. Okay, tell me.
सर जब हमें सर मलेरिया होता है सर तो हमें कौन से मस्कीटोज काटते हैं सर?
Female anopheles.
और सर डेंगू?
Aedes
डेंगू सर?
aegypti. Aedes aegypti.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Okay, I can see some of the
Sir,
students.
वन मोर
Wait.
क्वेश्चन.
I can see some of the students who have left the class. Their name I am reading it from here. Navneet Kumar, they have gone out. Okay, Aryan Gupta, Aditya Kumar Singh, Aditya Rajput, and Arpita Kumari 5F, Ashish Kumar, and wait, I am sharing it on from my screen. Wait. You see, and I will wait. I will share it from my screen. I will share it from here. You can see Navneet Kumar 5F. Navneet Kumar 5F. Is it visible? Is it visible? Navneet Kumar 5F. I am writing the name of these students. Okay, I am recording it. Monitor of class. Which sections are here in this class? Which sections are here in this class? Apurv Singh, you tell me which sections are here in this class? Listen me. Which sections are here in this class?
Sir,
Sir, 5D, E or F.
D, E, F.
5D या F.
5D,
E F.
Who is monitor of 5D?
Sir, Avantika.
Monitor of 5D, raise your hand. Monitor of 5D, raise your hand. Monitor of 5D, raise your hand.
Ashtavataka.
Monitor of 5D, raise your hand. Monitor of 5D, raise your hand. Who is monitor of 5D? Raise your hand. No, not on the screen. You have to raise. You have to raise here. Tell me the name of monitor of 5D in the chat mode. Who is the monitor of 5D? Apurv Singh. Who is monitor? You are the monitor of 5D. Monitor of class 5D E F will from Shivank Anand 5D कौन है monitor जब बताओ सुनो Avantika please unmute yourself and come on the screen. Avantika 5D, come on the screen. Avantika, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen. Avantika, I have unmuted you. Come on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Listen me. I will you send me. You call me on my WhatsApp. Okay. You send me that sir. I am Avantika of 5D monitor. Okay. Okay. You will send message on my WhatsApp. I will give you one work. Okay. Similarly, the monitor of 5E and 5F, they will send the message on my WhatsApp number that sir, I am the monitor of 5C, 5D or 5E. I will give you a work. Those students who have not joined or those who have joined and they have left the class, I want their name. Okay. Okay. Have you understood? Understood? Okay. All the monitors. Monitors of class